Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about DRDO scholarship scheme for girls in aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, space engineering and rocketry, or avionics and aircraft engineering. So the closing date is extended for 15th January 2021. So the registration is started from 15th August 2020 onwards. So we are going through the official notification. So the DRDO is providing a DRDO scholarship schemes for girls through Aeronautics Research and Development Boards, AR and DB, DRDO headquarters. So the official website is http://rac.government.in. So the number of scholarships are 20 scholarships are available in the discipline aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, space engineering, avionics under the graduate level BE or BTech or BSc engineering. Per year, they will be providing a 1,20,000 rupees for the fees, whichever is less for a maximum period of 4 years. So per year they will be providing a 1,20,000 rupees. So the candidate must be Indian nationals. Candidate should have gotten admission in the first year of current academic year 2020 and 2021 to the relevant BE or BTech, BSc or engineering course. And also the candidate must clear JEE main, and candidate should have a valid JEE main score. So the second scholarship is 10 scholarships are available. Aerospace engineering, same disciplines are given for postgraduate ME or MTech or MSc engineering. They will be providing per month 15,500 rupees, subject to 1,86,000 per year for a maximum period of 2 years. And the candidate must the eligibility criteria are candidates must be an Indian national, and candidates should have secured admission in the first year of the current academic year 2020 and 2021 to relevant ME or MTech MSc engineering course, and they have must be scored 60% mark in the qualifying examination graduate level B or BTech or B engineering or equivalent for getting the admission in the subject course as per the guidelines set by ICT or MHRD. In case where a conversion formula is not obtained, 6.75 will be taken as equivalent 60% as per ICT guidelines. The candidate should have a valid GATE score and general aptitude test in engineering score. So that's all about the two scholarships available, or two scholarships provided by DRDO. And the applicant should ensure the satisfy eligibility criteria before as on closing date on advertisement. So the selection process is first year undergraduate scholarship will be based on the merit of JEE main, and candidate without valid JEE main score will not be considered. And first year postgraduate scholarship for 2-year full-time course will be based on the valid GATE score on merit basis, and the candidate should valid GATE score will not be considered. So these are the selection process in DRDO scholarships. And also during the period of scholarship, the postgraduate and undergraduate scholars are required to pass all the tests and examination which may be prescribed by the institution so as to maintain a cumulative grade point of average 7 or 70% marks. So this is the mandatory for scholarship for throughout the years. And also, once the scholarship is discontinued to a candidate, it will not be granted further in spite of qualifying the eligibility in later years. So this must be noted. If the candidates discontinued the scholarship, then there will be no scholarship available for that student after that years. And the numbers are limited to 20 for undergraduate and 10 for postgraduate students pursuing their respective degrees in the academic institute. So the checklist for that, the attached scanned copy of the certificates of online application portal, and passport size color photograph, Aadhaar card, proof of admission, fees details, certificate from institute, printout of finally submitted or logged online application for your reference. These are the checklist for applying before applying this scholarship. So there are so many general guidelines are given in the site, so please go through that. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.